still show. That's one thing about watercolour. It's different to oil. You can't really go dark to light. Doesn't work. Not without some jiggery pokery with acrylic or gouache or something like that. Which is fine. I'm not against that. Let's go over the other side, and remember the other side, remember the left hand side was more in shadow. So I'm going to add a bit of raw umber into that light green mix. And a little bit of Prussian blue just to make quite a dark green as the base for what we're doing. A bit of dark in there as well. This is really how I work my second wash. I'm just dropping paint into paint. Remember we talked about getting perhaps just a little bit of the neat colour just at the bottom there. Now that, the Prussian blue, is probably not an autumny look. So I'll get a bit of raw sienna on it to just give it a bit of warmth there at the bottom. It's not at the moment.